watch a video. According to that, I got a point about unemployment. Yes, guys. In India, recently IMO received a news in that the institute was telling 80% in India, 80% youth are unemployed. Those are not having any kind of appropriate job which they want. Guys, I institute at I know it's developed in India in 1947. 1947. So that news are spread in whole of the whole in news and in the media also. Those were saying in the media 80% youth are unemployed. 80% youth are unemployed. No, this news are spread wrong in media. Let me tell you the appropriate news which recently 27 March 2024 I declared. The news is only about the youth, like in India who are considered youth. A student for 15 year old to 29, the age, in this age a person are calling youth. So in that he was the institute was telling those in that age whosoever people are coming, students are coming, those are 83% people are unemployed. It's not mean in whole India 80% unemployment are going on. So this news are spread so that I want to say small information I also want to pass to you in, like for example one for example 1,000 people are unemployed, youth are unemployed. Okay, in that 100 people are unemployed. In that 100 youth are unemployed. In 100, 80% people, 80% youth are unemployed. Not in whole India, 80% people are unemployed. So whatever the news are spread in in the social media, I also watch a lots of video about it. So in the news are wrong spreading. In our India, 6 point the unemployment rates are going say 6.25, 6.5 unemployment rate are going. How is like a person who are doing job 15 year to for 15 year to 59 years, those people are coming in the working age. Okay, those all are coming in the working age, but a person who are come in the 29, okay, for 15 to 29, those are only come in the youth according to the ILO. This institute developed by our government also, and it's the let me tell you the full form of this ILO, International Labor Force, International Labor Institute. This so it's those are one news also is also it's the international news. No, this organization developed in our India. So unemployment, yeah, unemployment are day by day is increasing, but what is the reason behind it? There are lots of types of unemployment are running in our India. First of all, let me tell you what is unemployment. Yes, guys, let me tell you what is unemployment. I will pass a brief information about it. Like you want to do any kind of job, but you are not getting the sufficient job which you want. It means you are right now you are unemployed. Okay, a small brief information about it. Let me tell you the types of unemployed. There are many types of unemployments are there. First of all, let the structure unemployment. It's like structural unemployment. They school, like for example, I did a graduation. I passed my 12th. Okay, so in that I somebody I went in the any kind of company and office, but that office which what they need from me, which skill they need from my qualification, but that skill I don't have. It's this unemployment this an influence role in the structures. So guys, as Neetu ma'am also told, in India people are so illiterate. Everyone is doing the studies, but those are not a skillful person. We everybody have to focus to become a skillful and try to indulge yourself in the basic. So guys, I hope you all understand from my topic. And last I want to say, please focus to yourself to develop your skills. And English is also a skill in that you can develop yourself and your environment also. So I hope you understand. Bye guys, take care.